And yeah, let's see what that sounds like, and then I'll go ahead and I'll play it back when we're done because I think it stops after I end the session, and then I'll
Okay.
take a listen to it. But let's go ahead and try it now.
I wake up, I'm sorry, an empty bottle of Bacardi is the first thing that I see. I look out the window, back in the shadows. I don't want the world to see what I'm becoming. I'm so busy running from reality. Maybe it's time that I stop to rewind that. Clock is counting down on me. I'm making bad decisions. They're clouding my vision, turning life upside down.
Cool. All right.